Now we can have some model questions on microbiology for botany and biotechnology main S1 students. Keep supporting us watching. These are some model questions only. More previous and model questions shall be updated soon. Keep watching. A. Enumerate the causative agents of non-gonococcal urethritis. 3 marks. B. What clinical specimens are collected? 1 mark. C. Discuss the laboratory diagnosis of non-gonococcal urethritis. 6 marks. 2. A. Write briefly about the infections caused by Legionella pneumophila. 3 marks. B. Enumerate the determinants of its pathogenicity. 2 marks. C. Describe about its laboratory diagnosis in brief. 5 marks. 3. A. Compare the new methods of detecting mycobacterial species in clinical specimens. 6 marks. B. Describe the clinical significance of non-tuberculous mycobacteria. 4 marks. 4. A. Describe the pathogenesis of diarrhegonic Escherichia coli strains. 5 marks. B. Describe laboratory diagnosis of these Escherichia coli strains. 5 marks. 5. Write about the pathogenesis and laboratory diagnosis of Clostridium difficile infection. 10 marks. 6. A. Write differences between actinomycetoma and eumycetoma. 2 marks. B. Enumerate the causative agents of eumycetoma. 4 marks. C. Write briefly about the laboratory diagnosis of eumycetoma. 4 marks. 7. A. Briefly discuss phaeohyphomycosis. 4 marks. B. Discuss its clinical manifestations. 2 marks. C. Discuss its laboratory diagnosis. 4 marks. 8. Write briefly on aspergillosis under following headings. A. Its causative agents. 3 marks. B. Its clinical forms. 4 marks. C. Laboratory diagnosis. 3 marks. 9. Discuss briefly pneumocystis under following headings. A. Its clinical manifestations. 3 marks. B. Life cycle of P. Joravicki. 4 marks. C. Laboratory diagnosis of pneumocystis. 3 marks. 10. Enumerate the agents and vectors of rickettsial diseases. Briefly. Describe their epidemiology and laboratory diagnosis. 10 marks. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe us for more videos.